It's a very good idea.
That's me.
The yellow.
Yeah.
Maybe the Saturday night we celebrate some holiday, right?
Absolutely. Come anytime.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Come visit. We'll go out on the boat.
Really?
Yes, really.
But my sister lives in Sweden. So I know. I want to go Canada, America, but I have to go Europe first.
Yes, you gotta go visit her.
Yeah, Belgium is a good place, right? I heard about Sweden, tell about Belgium. It's cheaper than a place in Europe, right?
Belgium is
Yeah.
cheaper than Europe, than other places.
So it has become 30% more expensive than Paris.
Oh wow.
The inflation is really huge, and people are suffering. Yeah.
But more expensive than Paris.
The food, the travel, everything is more expensive. Yeah. 30%.
Wow.
But now you live in Paris.
Yes. But in Paris, it's the rent of the apartment, which is very expensive.
And the rest is what?
Next to Eiffel Tower? Next to Eiffel Tower?
Yeah, I'm not so far. I am in the center.
Yeah.
It's the most beautiful city in the world. I love it.
It's okay. A lot of people work there, so development themselves, right? Yeah. Okay. Sure. So
Yeah, watch. Okay.
I don't want to read anything.
No, I know.
You are an
So
artist.
Yeah.
this is actually my first time doing this.
Really?
Yeah. So Thailand.
Pattaya. Phuket.
Yes.
Phuket.
Yes, Phuket. Maldives. Also Thailand. I went sailing on a boat. Yeah. It does look like Halong Bay.
Yeah, look like Halong Bay.
It does look like Halong Bay. Yeah. This is